Hey, Billy Dunn, CustomFloatingShelves.com. We make a lot of big shelves, and we also make a fair bit of these smaller shelves. For the big shelves that we make a steel bracket that goes inside and supports the shelf. For these smaller shelves, 6 inches and less, we use a wood insert. It's a little easier to install, and it's very strong, and I like the snug fit of the wood insert in the bracket, and it has some side-to-side flexibility as well. To get it out, it's a snug fit, it might be kind of stuck in there. This is coming out pretty good. If it doesn't want to come out, I'll put blocks on the table and put it upside down, blocks on the end. You can kind of tap it out. Okay, there it's coming out, and then pull that thing out. So this attaches to the wall with these flags. Alright, so we pre-drill these holes if for some reason, and it's likely that the holes are not where you need them to be. It's not too difficult to drill new holes. We drill them in the shop on the drill press. You can drill them on site with the drill we throw in the hardware. Let's say, for example, it needs to be here. Alright, so I'm going to drill. This will get most of the way through. Out of here, follow the line, and then on the other side, there it is. Now you had some holes drilled. It's on there good. Shelf fits over. Okay, now you have a little side-to-side movement. You could potentially, if you wanted to use those holes, you could just cut, a little bit off one end of the insert without really compromising it, or you could drill new holes. When you have this on, you want to secure it to the wall so it doesn't come off. You can use some pin nail or a screw from underneath. What I like to do is a little bit of caulking. This is a water cleanup painter's caulk. I'll just put a little bit on the ends, enough to where it's going to hold it on there, but not so much to make a huge mess. If you put this on here, it's not going anywhere unless you cut through that caulking. If you decide for some reason you need to take this thing off the wall, you can get behind there with a thin blade putty knife and cut it on the ends without making a huge mess in order to pull it off.